We have all faced the problems of limescale at some time. To avoid them, there were only methods through ionic salt exchange. But these systems, in addition to a high economic cost, have a very high environmental cost. Currently, they have been banned in several countries to protect the welfare of our planet. In the interest of energy consumption, we innovate solutions that reduce pollution and contribute to energy saving, making the most advanced technology available to everyone. That is why we present Genesis Evolution System, the ecological solution to the problems of lime. Lime is mainly composed of calcium, magnesium and bicarbonates, minerals that separately provide great benefits. Subjected to pressure or high temperatures, they are brought together by carbonic acid, creating lime. The formation of lime means higher energy costs, more consumption of chemical products, cost overruns in repairs and breakdowns, and in addition to shortening the life of our appliances, pipes and faucets, it also causes skin problems and alkalinizes the soil. How does the Genesis Evolution System work? Water is introduced into the Genesis Evolution System by passing through a system called air release, which releases air and gases derived from oxygen, causing the death of aerobic bacteria and viruses. It also eliminates radioactive gases dispersed in the air, the corrosion of copper and brass fittings, and the decomposition of lead in the water. It also eliminates bad odors and toxic gases such as ethane, propane, butane, hydrogen sulfide, radon, chlorine, helium, and ammonia. The water then passes through a 5-phase multifilter, Tilrod, an alloy of precious and semi-precious metals that absorbs the carbonic acid, dispersing the minerals that create the lime cluster, eliminating lime deposits without changing the pH and maintaining the natural mineralization of the water. Rain pearls improves the non-sedimentation of minerals on surfaces and prevents water turbidity. Ceramic balls coated to absorb chemicals, medicines, fungicides, hormones, arsenic and metals. PF filter filters intestinal parasites such as Giardia and Cryptoporidium, as well as their larvae, and traps microplastics and brown water. Metal-free phase formed by opposing neodymium magnets that generate a constant and symmetrical magnetic field to avoid metals. Thus, Genesis Evolution System becomes the most effective ecological solution to treat water, improve health, and contribute in a sustainable way to the conservation of our planet. Genesis Evolution System has the most demanding certifications worldwide, such as the NSF, National Sanitation Foundation, ANSI Accredited Certification Program, and the IAPMO RNT, IAPMO Research and Testing Water Quality Platinum Seal, ASSE, American Society of Sanitary Engineering, and the Standards Council of CANA.